I ordered 2 aluminum card holders, metallic silver and classic black from a brand famous for minimalist smart wallets, Exter. Exter has a patented mechanism called the Quick Access feature that allows you to pull out your card with just one hand. It got delivered in 6 days. I've been curious about this for a while now. I'm excited to finally put my hands on them. Let's open it up. Wow! It is made of high-grade aluminum. It feels sturdy and durable. Do you see the button at the bottom? It fans out the cards in a neat, organized way. Let's take a look at the metallic silver one. It has a more feminine look. This card holder blocks RFID, which prevents credit card information theft. Not only elegant but functional. It can hold up to 6 cards. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and many more in the back plate. This is how I use it. It's compact. No matter how hard I shake, nothing seemed to fall off. I have my Metro card at the back. Tap. Easy. Moving on to the cash clip. I got it for free because my order was more than $150. It can hold both cards and bills. Overall, I think this wallet is both fashionable and practical, and I love it.